everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. Short or long kurti looks stunning when paired with flared skirt or plazos. In this video, I am showing you few casual wear plain kurti designs with printed skirt and palazzo pants. So please continue watching the video till the end to get some color combination ideas of these comfortable wears.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.